So right here, it's like a dinosaur riding a skateboard. Very creative. You have their contact for social media. A very creative art piece. Very nice.
Please give it up for Miss Davis.
Skate or die. Wow, beautiful.
Please give it up for Miss Davis.
Come over here and see the next piece that they got.
Thank you. Thank you. There's something our principal hasn't told you about. He doesn't want you to know about.
We see a girl.
I've heard rumors.
With
He
a,
secretly
looks like a
writes
dandelion.
poems in the office.
Very nice.
Late at night. And he doesn't know about it, but I'm hoping
Beautiful
he'll
art.
close out the show with one angsty poem.
Let's check out the next pieces.
My turn. All right, let's see. I'm gonna read a poem about chick bites. Cause I'm that kind of girl. All right, chick bites and heartbreak. Think of it as the flu. Go to bed, stay in bed. Try not to think of what used to happen in that bed. Just
Here
think
we see
how
another
sick you
piece.
are. Indulge yourself with illness. Eat things like popsicles. Well, maybe not popsicles. Try
Really
instead
good.
to
See the
soup.
sky.
Nothing sexy about soup. Chunks of meat
It's like
drowning in their own
desert.
juices. A meal
All the
made from
nature.
chicks with their beaks cut off to prevent
Nice piece right
cannibalism.
here.
Their faces black holes of noise, open to be fattened before the
Great
bones
looking
are
piece on that
broken,
wall right
throats
there.
slit. Think of all that red.
Very artistic.
Don't associate it with death. Just think how much you like the color. Consider painting a small room with it, like the half
Great
bath.
piece right here.
Remember how you broke up that fight between the two
This one.
female students in front of the school? Because you didn't want to see
Good.
them suspended over a boy.
butterflies.
How they laid together in the grass, grasping each other's hoop earrings.
Welcome to the Champions Playbook Business Consulting Firm, where we specialize in multiplying your business sales with our business growth habits and business partnership development. Just go to thechampionsplaybook.tcp.com and download our secret sales growth guide S to immediately lay the foundation to multiply the sales for your business.
Blood running from small
Faces.
rips, their chests bruised as though tenderized with cleavers. You screamed for them to let go, but they couldn't. I mean, it was love that they were fighting for. Think of their faces, startled, as though they didn't
Let's check the next pieces
understand
out. Come on.
where all the pain was coming from. Right, and I had, thank you for that one.
These.
Thanks. All right. This is one of my favorite poems. It's about middle school. I just started teaching middle school.
Really unique right here.
But I know, I love it.
Got some more going on the
I
other side.
never left you. You're still here. I can't get rid of you. You follow me around. All right, I am excited because right after me, I'm bringing you the stars of the show, which is our Get Lit team from Knight High School, where I used to teach. And yeah, I did it. Yeah. I moved right next door. I can literally walk in behind me. But I love him a lot. I shouldn't say that out loud. That's
Really
sorry,
nice
principal.
art.
Write me up. Okay, so but I'm excited to invite them up because they are really phenomenal and they're going to steal the show. I mean, I care about all my students the same. None of them are. Okay. All right. So this is a poem called "The Middle School Scab Eater." My first love.
Can you make it?
All right, the middle school scab eater. Everything about her was recessive.
Look at this one.
Hair retreating into tight curls, arms holding legs close to chest. She folded into a wooden chair like the yes-no notes we agonized over. Tight origami shapes we
Pretty
passed
good,
while
right?
Coach wrote heavy petting on the board. We hated her. Her child's body and thick
Very
lips.
artistic.
Her shins
See
bleeding
the
where
owl?
she ripped off scabs.
It's like a record.
Coach going over the concept
different
of
techniques.
foreplay, explained how the family dog never really loved us, was only after the pleasure of being touched. You have to butter a lady up was his best attempt at talking about the bodily secretions. Consequence for wearing like invisible gloves. She was beautiful, and secretly, we loved her. Her obliviousness. In class, she blew on her open sore, same as the head cheerleader blew on wet petal pink nail polish. It was confusing.
Nice
the
cup right
separation
here.
Of love from pleasure. She looked satisfied, harvesting dry red chips,
beautiful.
taking herself into her mouth like bread. She didn't notice how even Coach laughed a little when he looked at her.
Definitely.
His argument for abstinence.
All right, look at this one. You got the cats. I mean, these look lifelike. Really in great artwork. Just brought to life. That's the artist right there who did the artwork. Just phenomenal artwork. Wow. How hard is something like this? Really hard? What makes it hard to do?
The realistic faces.
Okay. Let's check out that one. Wow, look at that. Is that hard to do? Wow.
You can see a whole bunch of different animals.
Wow.
Because they said so.
Incredible artwork. Winning plays every day. TCP will show you the way. Accomplish your goals and never fold. Just follow the winning plays that you've been told. The Champion's Playbook will help you win, and your success will never end. Winning plays, winning plays.